of turning points on life. So you can ask your doubts here with me. Now, what is turning point? Turning point basically is the point where the graph changes the direction, right? So it can change like this. So and it can change the direction like this, and it's of two type. It can be maximum or minimum. So in this case you can see it's a minimum point, in this case it's a maximum point. And where it occurs, where the slope or the gradient of the graph is 0. Okay, for with the help of one example, let's see how can you calculate the turning point. Let's say this is a curve, equation of a curve. Now it's a quadratic equation, so of course uh, it's a parabola. So how do we calculate gradient of a curve? We will have to find the derivative, right? So derivative will be 2x minus 4, and we will see where the gradient is equal to 0. So we have to equate it equal to 0 because the turning point occurs where the gradient is 0. So if we equate it, we get 2x equals 4, x equals 2. So at x equals to 2, the gradient is 0. Okay, at x equal to 2, gradient is 0. But what is the gradient? To calculate the gradient, basically now at x equal to 2, so x equal to 2 is the point where the turning point occurs. Now this is the x coordinate. We will have to find the point means the x and the y coordinate both. So to calculate the y coordinate, we can substitute that value of x equal to 2 in the curve again. So that is, we will basically substitute x equal to 2 in this. That is going to give us 2 square minus 4 times 2 plus 3, which is 4 minus 8 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 8 minus 1. So y coordinate is 1 and x coordinate is this. So basically x coordinate 2 and y coordinate minus 1. This is the turning point. Now let's learn how do we calculate what type of turning point it is. So the types are of, these are obviously two types, maximum or minimum. How will we identify? We will do the double derivative test. So we will find the double derivative of the function. If the double derivative is positive, we get a minimum point of, and if the double derivative is negative, then the point is maximum. So in the previous question it was y equals x square minus 4x plus 3. So here in this graph, what was the dy by dx we have calculated? It was 2x minus 4. Okay, and what was the turning point? 2 and minus 1. So we will first calculate second derivative. So double derivative means derivating the derivating again the derivative function, that is 2. So which is positive. That means as per the second derivative test, this 2 and 1 is minimum turning point. Thank you for your time.